You can clone your own voice with AI in about 5 minutes. After that, you can make it say anything, narrate videos, read your scripts, voice your content without ever recording again. And I'll show you the one setting that decides whether it sounds like you or like a robot. Most people get that setting wrong. Stick around for it. Step 1. The tool is 11 Labs. It's what makes the voice you're hearing right now. Find the voice cloning option. On the free tier, it's limited, but it's enough to test if this is for you. Step 2. Record a clean sample. 1 to 2 minutes is enough. Quiet room, no music, and talk the way you normally talk. Garbage in, garbage out. A clean sample is 90% of a good clone. Step 3. Upload the sample, give the voice a name, and let it train. That's it. A couple of minutes. Now you have a digital copy of your voice, ready whenever you are. Step 4. Type any text, pick your clone voice, and generate. Scripts, video narration, voicemails, all in your voice without opening a microphone again. Step 5. The setting people get wrong. It's called stability. Turn it too high and the voice goes flat and robotic. Too low and it gets inconsistent and weird. The sweet spot is right in the middle. Natural but steady. Find that and it stops sounding like AI and starts sounding like you. The honest catch: the free tier is limited. Emotion still isn't perfect. And please only clone a voice you have the right to use. The link to 11 Labs is in the description. I only show tools after I've actually used them. Follow for the honest version first.